Okay, my dear superintendent, after this month call, what is your takeaway? And what can you commit as you open FY 2016-2017 on Monday?
That we will be looking for the junior high school be able to catch on for the senior high. Thank you.
Loaded our updated data in terms of the senior high school getting in, and by Monday, there is 35,000 plus on senior high school, we have about 8,500, and it is distributed to get done by Monday. I have asked our counselor to tell me who are those schools who have not uploaded zero enrollment. So we have of that ASBS and our all those will be coming from the region to evaluate after this help us. I'm sure we'll be able to get our target
implement the senior high school ordinance by Monday by the ordinance and with the number of teachers that we have to hope that we will not encounter any problem. Okay, education has that by Monday we will have
itself to be able to properly implement the senior high school program despite all the hassles and the worries and concerns. When we will face the media, we will project positively. Students who college starts, college candidates, ensure the clearing out for the first month of
Sa ating Superintendent Emmanuel Luna ay pwede media na pagdating ko ng Lunes, ang alat ko ng pag-isip na Town City at ay receive po na uban. Kaya ang aming division of security partner. Ito ay nagkaroon ng kaputuhan na sa Lunes ay kami magkakama. Magkakaroon sa senior sa aming division of police. Of course, kami po lahat ay harap na isang school at also kami mag-participate na pag-ceremony. Kaya you will be released.
Despite how I asked our staff friends, so I also wanted to evaluate that 2016 is going to be a very different year because it is your time to shine. So I'm promising everyone that by June 16, by June 13, onwards for school year 2016-2017, the Union will have its time to shine. Going around the school, give what is this as available seats. So, hindi so, grabe talaga. Yeah, well, the division of this school mostly coordinate with the DPWH so that our senior high school building will be completed after a month or two. And for the other one, na zero balance pa rin sa CCI namin, we hope that we will be able to start the construction within May.
And they will greatly face the reality and they will continue looking for children, looking for kids and
Kaibigan mo dito at Facebook ko kayo para sa country. Yan po di 170 items are that is all the matter of time. We have 170
The fact is that I had a message from Sally had heard this, the girls have heard this, you know. I mentioned that what I love is where I am now. Yes, I am so lucky to be working with 14. Dito lang sinabi yung superintendent naman doon. I really mentioned 14 school division superintendent. Very outstanding, very outstanding, very extraordinary 14 school division superintendent who are ably assisted. And of course, I also mentioned, diba? And of course, the rest ko ably headed by our division director, Ina.